I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on three dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select an action Kirim email. Give here a username and API key. Now go to the Kirim email dashboard. Then click on the account setting. API token. View token. Copy the token and paste it into the integration site. Give here your username. Go to the Kirim email site, copy the username, and paste it into the integration site. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Select a list. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the Kirim email dashboard. Navigate to the lists. Subscribers. Here, you can see that the data has been successfully received. Thanks for watching.